how to add cards to your videos. Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to be telling you how you guys can add cards to your YouTube video. So simply open up your YouTube channel, and then after that simply pick a video that you guys want to add a card to. So let's say you want to add a card to this particular video, and then after that you just have to click on the left side on editor, and then after that over here you can basically see that you guys have the option to basically add in an info card. Simply click on this plus button, and then after that simply choose a video, playlist, or channel that you guys want to show in your card. And then after that, once you guys have made your decision, simply choose the video that you want to add, and then after that simply click on the top right on save. Once you guys are done with all of these settings, you can also move the pointer around as well to basically have it appear wherever you want, and then click on save at the top right, and that is it. You guys are done. Now you guys have successfully added a card to your video. So guys, that is how easy it is. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Till next time, goodbye.